Good morning. So I'm starting my day with Liu An Gua Pian, and this is the bold brewing method. And as you can tell, the bold brewing method is a fairly relaxed one because you would simply throw in some tea leaves and top it up with hot boiling water. And once the tea is ready, as you can tell from its color, you would gradually scoop them into your teacups. Okay, and I'm using like a spoon, a soup spoon from the Qing Dynasty, and obviously it's blue and white. So the color isn't that ideal for observing your tea infusion, but I like it because it has a larger, slightly bigger capacity than the white porcelain spoon. So yeah, that helps me get to my first sip of tea faster and without much hassle. So why do we brew with tea bowls? The idea is to help you see the leaves unfold as they make a little dance in your bowl when hot water is introduced. And what's nice about the porcelain spoon is that on the back here you can enjoy the fragrance from this tea. Very nice, very nifty, I would say. And that's all for today. So have a good Thursday and enjoy the Labor Day holidays this weekend.